Hi, okay. Selamat sejahtera. For today's lesson, you're going to learn about multiplication of a matrix by a number. Okay. It is given that matrix A, B, C, D, and N is a number. NA, okay, that means N multiply matrix A would be equal to N, okay, bracket A, B, C, D, and the bracket here is the matrix A, so that the answer will be N must multiply with all the elements of the matrix. Okay, and N is known as a scalar, so multiplication of a matrix by a number is known as a scalar multiplication. Okay, so I think it is clear here that okay, when you multiply a matrix with a number, then the number must multiply all the elements, okay, of the matrix. Okay, so for example here, this is matrix D, calculate 3D, so 3D equals to 3, okay, and matrix D. Okay, so the answer is 3 times -5, 3 times 4, 3 times 2, 3 times 2, and 3 times 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Same goes for here. Okay, -1/2 will be equal to D. Okay, will be equal to -1/2, and then you copy matrix D, -5, 4, 2, 1. So the answer is +5/2, -2, -1, and -1/2. Okay, simple. We just multiply the number, okay, with all the element inside the matrix. Example 12. Okay, you have P and Q, and then you see, okay, this is the combination of subtraction of matrix and scalar multiplication. Okay, so 3P minus Q is equals to 3, and then you have bracket. You can expand, okay, you can expand, or you can solve one by one. Minus Q, okay, you can solve inside bracket first. Okay, equals to 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus -3, 12. Okay, -3 minus 1, -4. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 0, 6. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, after that, you multiply the number with all the element of the matrix. 15, 36, -12, 9, 18, 24. Okay, so that's how you do. Or for this case, you can expand first. Okay, that means 3 multiply with all the element of matrix P, and 3 also multiply with all the element of matrix Q, and then you minus also can, okay, using the method. Next, for this case, okay, like solving problem here, solving equation, okay, the combination of subtraction and scalar multiplication. Okay, so to find the unknown x and y, okay, but in for question B, you need to find the matrix R. Okay, so for A, okay, you multiply this first, okay, 2, okay, and then 6, minus x negative 3 equals to 5y. Okay, so you form equation, okay, you form linear equation to find x. 2 minus x equals to 5. So 2 minus 5 equals to x equals to negative 3. Okay, and then you form another equation to find y. 6 minus negative 3 equals to y. So 6 plus 3 equals to y. Then y is equals to 9. Okay, and then for question B, you need to find the matrix R. Okay, so like linear equation, okay, for R is equals to negative 3, 4, 10, 1 minus, okay, it become minus 9, 0, 2, negative 3. Okay, so you solve this is equals to negative 3 minus 9 is negative 12. 4 minus 0 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus negative 3 is 4. Okay, this is for R. Okay, so 4 here become 1 over 4. Okay, negative 12, 4, 8, 4. And then you multiply 1 over 4 with all the element inside. So it becomes negative 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so that's how you find matrix R. If I am too fast, you can rewind. Okay, next, okay, example 14. Okay, this is problem solving. Okay, so read the question carefully. The average number of vehicles per day in a parking area for 5 working days, okay, is represented in table X. Table Y represent the average number of vehicles per day on weekend. Okay, so weekdays, okay, 5 working days, and weekend you have 2 days, right? Okay, calculate the number of vehicles parked at the parking area in a week, because this is average. Okay, average. So to find the total, okay, the total number for working days, you must multiply with 5. Okay, you must multiply this with 5 because this is for 5 working days. This is for 2 days. Okay, the weekend, right? So 5, okay, 42, 8, 20, 11. Okay, and then plus with 2, 25, 5, 12, 3. Okay, so you can see that I arranged this according to the same category. Okay, the covered vehicle, okay, 42, 8, 25, 5. Okay, for car, and for car for weekdays and car for weekend at the same position. Okay, so equals to, okay, you can solve this. Okay, you can solve this to find the answer. Okay, so this become 210, 40, 100, 55 plus with 50, 10, 24, 6. Okay, so remember you must multiply the number, okay, the scalar with all the elements inside the bracket. Okay, and then for this one you add 210 plus 50, 40 plus 10, 100 plus 24, 55 plus 6. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, the number of vehicles parked at the parking area in a week for covered car is 260. For covered motorcycle is 50, non-covered car is 124, and non-covered motorcycle is 61. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so we do conclusion here. The conclusion for this lesson is you learn about the scalar multiplication of matrix. Okay, the scalar is the number, okay, number that multiply, okay, that multiply with a matrix. Okay, if the number n, okay, multiply with matrix, okay, so the n must multiply with all the elements inside the matrix. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.